Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how we can draw gene ontology terms bar plot using this srplot website. So in this video, I will tell you the detailed process of making how we can prepare our file which we get from RNA-seq data analysis company and how we can paste those values here to get a beautiful graph of gene ontology graphs of including biological processes, cellular components, and molecular functions. And you can use this figure directly in your research article. So first of all, before I show you how we can prepare the file, let me show you how we can approach to this website. So first of all, you just need to open bioinformatics.com.cn. So when you will click on this, you will see this website is in Chinese. So you can simply write slash and you can write en, and we know that en stands for English. So it will translate its language into English. So now here you can see all the modules are now visible in English language. So because now we want to draw gene ontology bar plot, so we will simply write here go and we can press enter. So here you can see here is the first one is the BP, CC and MF3, all three in one. So because we want to draw all three in one, so we will click on the first one. So here we can input our data which we will prepare in that our Excel file. So here is that Excel file. So you can see here we have actually three columns. So first one is the go terms, the second one is subgroups, and third one is enrichment score. So all of these three columns are necessary because here you can see in the first, the go term, here you can write your all go terms for which you want to draw your gene ontology bar plots. And here the second one is subgroup, and subgroup should be ordered as given. Here you can see the first one is biological processes, and the second one is actually the cellular components, and third one is molecular function. You should keep in mind that we cannot change the sequence of these, and we cannot also change the spelling of this. So here the third one is actually the enrichment score. So if your company did not give you the enrichment score, you can also calculate the enrichment score by yourself by writing the number of enrichment categories especially related to this divided by number of all enrichment categories in all pathways. Or you can also replace this enrichment score with your FDR value or P value. So it means that this third column is replaceable by FDR value or P value. But if you are pasting FDR value or P value, so you don't need to mention the enrichment score. So once you have all set your this Excel sheet, you can simply copy all the data including these header name and you can paste there. Here you just need to paste, but you should make sure there should be no improper empty spaces. So here now you can adjust the figure width and figure height. So let's suppose we want to change the figure width into 10 and we want to change figure height into 8. And similarly the font size for go terms and the legends, for this time being I just leave them as such. And here is label number on the top of bar you want to mention, and here is the decimal places. Here you can choose the color for BP mean biological processes, CC mean cellular components, and MF mean molecular function. So let me change this color for BP. So we can select this one, and for cellular components we can select this one, and for molecular function we can choose little reddish. So here is the bar width. If you want to increase, you can simply increase by using this up and down menu, and here is the font family. So you can simply click the submit button You will see it will take just few seconds. So now here you can see our bar plot is ready. So now you can download in the form of PDF, PNG or SVG. So let me download it for you in PNG. So here you see this beautiful graph is now being downloaded, and here you can see it is showing the biological processes, cellular components and molecular functions in all as order as we have placed. So in this way you can also select and design your own file, and just by copy and pasting your Go terms and their subgroups with their enrichment score or FDR value, you can design your own Go terms for your research article. So if you are facing any issue in the use of this website, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.